What is up, you guys? I'm bringing you back another video. I'm sorry I haven't been filming. I shouldn't even make the excuses now because a lot of my friends been telling me to film everything I've been doing lately. For example, I started drifting. I'm on my like 6th event now. I drive for a team called Bad Driver Club. Which has a set of drivers that are teaching me everything I need to know and what I shouldn't do. Super cool dudes. Check out our website. We sell slaps, shirts, all that. So yeah, I've been drifting and it's been a wonderful experience, you know, meeting a bunch of people that love it, and now I'm in love with it. So like my lifestyle is completely different now. Like it's not just about having a car and building it now. It's just like I drift, I need to buy tires, I need to pay for the event. Like it's a lot of money. It's genuinely a lot of money. So you kind of need to buy things ahead of time to save you from spending it all at once. I have a couple of friends that have tires stacked up in their garages. But I don't have a garage right now because, you know, I'm in an apartment, but I'll get there. For now, I'm gonna keep learning, doing what I can, you know, hustling these tires from whoever I can get them from and moving forward. I ended up buying a yellow S14.
Oh my God.
Which I eventually ended up selling to my brother because I had no space for it. And that's also one of his dream cars. That kid has a lot of dream cars. I ended up getting my blue Lexus IS 300 back from the shop. I was feeling uneasy about the car, like I was kind of over it. So I ended up trading it for a red S13 hatch, which is the car I currently have. The S13 hatch also happens to be one of my wife's dream cars. So I didn't know what to do because I didn't want to give her the car because it was completely unsafe. The coils were crap, like it was bouncing and everything. So I need to get new coils and a better spring rate for the front. It has no power steering. So yeah, I felt completely unsafe about the car, so I didn't want to give it to my wife. I did let her drive it. She wasn't too happy with it because, you know, the power steering. So on my 5th drift event that I went to, I think, I ended up buying her a S13 hatch, another one.
So, I kind of got you something. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's your new car.
You're lying. He's lying, right? What? Oh my God, no way! Baby, you're for real?
That's your new car.
Oh my God!
That's your new car.
You said it's not a big deal.
I was on my 3rd 240 within 2 months. I don't know how 240s are completely expensive, but luckily my boy Daniel hooked me up for a good price. He had a lot of people that wanted to buy it from him, but he felt uneasy about who he was selling it to. He was just super cool about it. He was like, I want to give it to you because your wife really seems happy about owning a 240 one day, so I'm gonna sell it to you guys. And I'm like, cool, awesome. So thank you, Daniel, for that. Appreciate it. Now that we're more stable, I'm gonna try to film more. I can't promise anything, but let's get straight to the video. Okay, let's open it.
your little...
That doesn't work, baby.
Yes, it does.
It's not sharp enough.
Yeah, it doesn't work. You're like, come on. Here we go.
This is KBD kit, baby.
Holy crap! It's all in there! Watch out, Mama. Watch out. Hold her, baby. Oh.
Push it.
Oh, my Lord.
Okay.
Okay. This piece. They
Alright.
put rubber. Well, these look nicer.
Okay, it's been like 2 days, so we can finally get back to filming. We just had 4th of July, so we were doing things. I put the kit outside in the sun. It's starting to come together now, finally. I'm gonna give it like an hour, and then we're gonna start working on putting on my wife's 240. That one's mine. So we just took off the bumper.
Correction, we did.
Yeah. I never want to do this again. These are the most annoying things I have ever had to deal with. Yeah, no. All right, let's put the bumper on, baby. It's not easy working on a car, huh, babe?
No, I'm sweating.
Bruh, I've been just guessing the holes lately. I did that for my fenders too. That's kind of risky, but
That is risky.
check it out. I got it.
I don't know, but she look about right. My husband is basically doing everything. I'm helping a little bit.
Maybe.
Let me see.
You got it?
Now I got it.
Okay. Just one more side to put on. The bumper should be on. The bumper is on. We kind of have things to do, so I'll continue the video probably in a day or two to put the side skirts and the rear bumper on. But man, this looks so good. She's lower than me. Guys, help me convince her not to raise it. She wants to raise it a little bit. I don't think she should. So I kind of convinced my wife to take this bump that we have here. I want to see what happens to the kit. Obviously, you know nothing's gonna happen to it because it's a KBD kit. Chilling. It's so cool that my wife drives a 240. God, please don't stall in the video. Yeah! I think the tire is rubbing a little bit over here. Well, the zip ties didn't work. But the kit will be fine. Come on. Man, zip ties, come on. Zip ties never let me down. Park in the same spot, baby. Park in the same spot. So we're putting the KBD kit on the S13 hatch. And the kit is way too long.
So we couldn't put her rear bumper on because the bumper that KBD sent us is for a coupe. So now we have to wait. But yep, there's my 240, my brother's 240. We're at Cars and Coffee. These are some of the team members right here.
On a regular now. I just like how easy like now close the pedals are in my car, and I'll try to do it in like a different car, and I can't because like I'm trying to do it with my dad.
Yeah, we're missing one more car, which is our homie Qasim. It's a yellow Corvette. He drifts it. But these are all drift cars basically out here. That's 14.5. Woo, this thing is clean. Sexy car. What up, G?
What's up, dude?
So what's up, subscribers?
What's going on, man? All right, so we got Cars and Coffee right now, right?
Uh-huh.
We got our man's right here.
DK himself. DK himself. Yeah, $20 for a sticker, bro. For you, we'll do 15.
And then we got Joe. Trying to make some sales. You know, he's doing his thing. He's like,
Okay.
hey, man, look, guys, look, I got some stuff you can buy. Look,
Where are you going? Joe, you're taking him the wrong place, bro.
he has to do, look here. He has to do something a little special. Just make it sell.
That's one of the canopies.